This Cobot and this app will revolutionize the way you weld.
Hi, I'm Dan Colvin with ESAB. Using the ESAB Cobot is as easy as pushing a button and manually programming the weld path and using the intuitive app on your phone.
A person with no robot or programming experience can create good parts in less than an hour. And virtually anyone can load parts and start the Cobot. Fast, easy, and intuitive operation turns your existing workers into Cobot operators. Turns welding pains into welding gains, and frees your welders to focus on jobs that demand their skills. The ESAB Cobot features an arm from Universal Robot. Universal Robot is the world leader in Cobot technology. It's renowned for safety and reliability. The Cobot features ESAB's premier heavy industrial welding system for MIG and pulsed MIG welding of steel, stainless steel, and aluminum alloys. A compact welding table allows for fast, easy deployment and ability to quickly move to another location. Use the ESAB Cobot to weld in a linear or circular motion and have the ability to weld multiple parts in one setup. Already proven in the field, the ESAB Cobot enables shops to produce 2 to 4 times as many parts, all without adding staff. The easy-to-use software app allows you to store and recall weld sequences, get free and fast in-app support, and track productivity metrics. When you want to bid more competitively, work more efficiently, and take on more jobs, the ESAB Cobot gives you an edge on the competition. Will revolutionize the way you weld.